back. A little harder.
Do it again.
Are you ready? 1, 2. You wiped out. I can't reach.
Go get it, Sophia.
Thank you. Ready? Wait. 1, 2. Come over here. Come over here. You can help. No. All right, sit down. All right. Roll it.
Get it,
buddy.
Sophia.
Get it. Roll it. Come on.
Nana can't reach it.
Come on, roll it to Sissy. You gotta roll it good.
Come on.
Oh, you're making this harder than it needs to be. Let's take this couple things out of here because I think it's preventing it from rolling right. This one and this one. I think we'll take this big thing out of here too. Maybe the rest will be all right. All right, are we ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go, Livy. Give me your hands. Wait. Wait. You push. Push hard. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Give me a ball and let me show you what I do with it. Sure, please.
Sissy, bring it back. Come on, we were having fun. Sophia. Isn't there another one you can take? Go get the other one. Leave that here and you get the other one. Play with the other one. Come on. You get that here. We're done on... Come on, Olivia. You get it. Roll it to Nana. Roll it to Nana. Roll it. Well, that one's going to be heavy to roll. But you can still roll it. Whoop. You can still roll it. I thought you want to roll it. Look at you, smarty. You're so smart. It's amazing.